What if your supply chain could recognize a disruption before it became a crisis? For decades, supply chains have been managed by looking backward. What happened? Where did demand change? Which shipment was delayed? Which supplier missed a commitment? Artificial intelligence changes the question. Instead of only asking what happened, an AI-enabled supply chain asks what is likely to happen. It asks, what should we do next, and which actions can AI safely execute? This is the shift from reactive operations to predictive, intelligent, and increasingly autonomous supply chains. It begins with demand forecasting. AI can analyze sales history, seasonality, pricing, promotions, customer behavior, market trends, and external signals. It can identify patterns that are difficult to detect manually and continuously update forecasts as conditions change. The result is demand sensing, more accurate sales and product forecasts, and better predictions for new products. Businesses can respond earlier, reduce surprises, and align supply more closely with real customer needs. Next comes supply and procurement. AI can help determine what to buy, when to buy it, how much is needed, and which suppliers are best positioned to deliver. It can analyze spending, compare prices, review contracts, evaluate supplier performance, and identify emerging risks. Rather than treating procurement as isolated transactions, AI creates a clearer view of value, cost, reliability, and resilience. Then there are imports and lead times. A shipment can be affected by weather, port congestion, customs delays, supplier performance, freight costs, or changing transportation conditions. AI can combine these signals to predict delays and estimate their potential impact, including demurrage and service risks. That early warning gives teams time to adjust orders, change routes, communicate with customers, or secure alternatives. Inventory is where many supply chains balance competing pressures. Too much stock ties up capital. Too little stock creates shortages and lost opportunities. AI helps identify the right inventory, in the right location, at the right time, and at the right cost. It can optimize safety stock, predict stockouts, detect dead stock, allocate products across locations, and coordinate multiple warehouses. The goal is not simply more inventory or less inventory. The goal is better inventory. Inside the warehouse, AI can optimize layout, product placement, picking paths, labor planning, and stock movements. Computer vision can help identify damage, incorrect items, and potential safety issues. These capabilities can improve accuracy, efficiency, and consistency while supporting people in their daily work. In logistics, AI can optimize routes, vehicles, fuel consumption, delivery schedules, and fleet utilization. It can predict arrival times, anticipate maintenance needs, and help planners respond when conditions change. The result is a logistics operation that is more efficient, more informed, and better prepared to meet customer expectations. But the greatest value appears when these capabilities are connected. A supply chain control tower brings together sales, demand, inventory, suppliers, logistics, and finance. It creates a shared understanding of what happened, what is happening now, and what is likely to happen next. It also shows which actions could improve the outcome. This connected view helps teams move from isolated decisions to coordinated decisions. The next step is agentic AI. AI agents can monitor inventory, detect risks, prepare purchase recommendations, initiate approved workflows, and escalate exceptions for human review. They can manage routine decisions at speed while people focus on judgment, relationships, strategy, and decisions requiring context. Autonomy does not mean removing people from the process. It means giving people better information, faster options, and more time for high-value work. Strong governance, clear approval rules, reliable data, and human oversight remain essential. The intelligent supply chain is not built through one technology or one project. It grows through practical use cases, connected data, measurable outcomes, and responsible adoption. The journey starts with better forecasts. It expands into smarter procurement, resilient logistics, optimized inventory, connected operations, and AI-assisted decisions. From asking what happened, supply chains can progress to asking what will happen, what should we do, and what can AI do next? That is the path from forecasting to intelligent and autonomous supply chains.